ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿ ಇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೂತನ ವರ್ಷದ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಜು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಬಿಜುವನ್ನು 3 ದಿವಸ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಕೊನೆಯ 2 ದಿನಗಳು ಚೈತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ದಿನ ವೈಶಾಖವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. 3 ದಿನಗಳು ಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಜು, ಮೂಲ್ ಬಿಜು ಮತ್ತು ಗೊಚ್ಚೆ ಬೊಜ್ಜೆ ಬಿಜು. ಮಾನ್ಯರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಜನಪದ, ನಾಟ್ಯ, ಹಾಡು, ಧರ್ಮ, ಭಾಷೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಲಿಪಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಜು ಹಬ್ಬವು ಚಕ್ಮಾ ಜನಾಂಗದವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಹಬ್ಬಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಹಬ್ಬ ದಿನ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಿಂದ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಗಾದಿ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡಿಪರ್ವ, ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಶು, ಅಸ್ಸಾಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಹು ಮತ್ತು ತ್ರಿಪುರಾ, ಮಿಜೋರಾಂ, ಅರುಣಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜು. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ಸಿಹಿ ಬಿಜು, ಜೂಜು ಫಾತುರುತುರು ಬೆಕ್ಕುನುರೆ.
Let's begin by exploring each item and its cultural significance. First, we have the hallung, a traditional carrier made entirely of bamboo. It's a beautiful example of Chakma handcraft used to carry vegetables and crops from June cultivation. The age-old slash and worm farming method practiced by people is strong, sustainable and smart, just like the farmers who use it. Made from bamboo, usually played by youth while resting during June farming. It's not just for sound, it carries emotions across hills, especially love songs whispered from one mountain to another. Listen closely, it speaks the language of the heart. It's either a bamboo sling for children or a tool for filtering grains, passed down from generation to generation. The hulu reminds us of simple joys and everyday wisdom. Here comes the duduk, a soulful bamboo wind instrument. Just one breath into it and you will feel the calm. It's often played during leisure, meditation or cultural gatherings like the forest breeze in musical form. Now we see the baji. This handmade bamboo flute is unique to the Chakma people. Its melody is soft, deep and artfully connecting the spirit of music with the spirit of the land. Next, we have the daba, a traditional bamboo hookah used in community settings. It's not just for relaxation, it's for bonding, storytelling, and slow moments with friends and elders. Coming up is the mejang, a low platform made of bamboo or wood used for sitting and placing food during meals or rituals. Unlike regular tables, the mejang brings people closer to the ground and to each other rooted in tradition. Next, we have female in full traditional attire. Here, you see the full grace of Chakma clothing from the fabric to the ornaments. This attire speaks of respect, identity and cultural pride, now presenting the pinon and hadi with ornaments. This is traditional Chakma women's attire, hand-woven, vibrant and elegant. It's paired with ornaments like tengo tharu, made of bamboo and beads, reflecting beauty in harmony with nature. Now song. Each melody holds history, lives lived, love lost, and lessons remembered. Introducing the Boddo, our traditional doctor. Using hearts, charms, and the power of nature, the Boddo heals with both science and spirit. They have kept generations healthy long before hospitals came. And finally, the Ojapan, the Chakma script. This is our language written down, beautiful, unique, and a treasure of our intellectual heritage. It reminds us of who we are and where we come from. And the last we have Bera, that is a basket, local handmade basket which women use for daily activities.